debating with a personal friend of mine, Jay Smith. Hello everyone, I just spotted a car on the M11, 3 Asian guys and 1 young white girl in the back. It seems odd, so I called 9999, so I'm hoping to have the officers here on the scene soon. I'll repeat again, I just spotted a car in front of me with 3 Asian guys and 1 white girl in the back. I got officers stop the car here. How are you doing? Sorry.
Thanks for calling.
Right.
Do you mind just stepping out?
Yes, sure.
What actually happened?
I saw what appeared to be a white girl in the car. I'm not too sure. Am I right? Am I right?
I don't know. I haven't had a look yet. I can just speak to my colleagues are speaking to them. All right. So what happened after that?
I just saw her holding her head in like this, but I wasn't 100% sure. I thought I'd ring it in. She appeared to be a white girl with 3 Asian guys. So I'd rather be wrong and phone it in than it to be a grooming gun at work.
Right. So you seen the girl in the car and
with her hand like this, as if she's in distress.
Right. Was she crying? Was there anything?
I don't know, because I drove past it about 3 times, but I didn't want to alert them too much.
You don't want to alert them too much?
So I follow them. I'd rather be wrong than anything else.
Yeah, of course. It's better to be safe and so on.
Yeah.
Of course. Just give me 1 second. If you
Okay.
could just stay up.
Yeah. As I said, I'd rather be wrong than sorry. Alright guys, just a quick update. The car was stopped. The occupants were asked to exit the car. It turns out to be an Asian girl, a light-skinned Asian girl in there. Now, I'd rather be wrong and get the officers to check it out. I thought it was a white girl, but it happens to be a light-skinned Asian girl, probably an Indian. I don't know who the other occupants are, but the officers have taken my details. I'm heading home now. Bloody hell, that was a way out of my journey, but you know what, I care enough, right, to go out of my way, follow a car and phone up the police. With the help of people like myself who are willing to stand up and defend the British white people, to defend their culture. And all I ask you is to support me. For the past 28 years, I have lived amongst the white communities under the radar. It is only now, 5 years ago, that I have decided to speak out and defend the British white people and their culture. Support us, please. Support us. One of the ways you can support me is to buy this damn book. It's on Amazon.